It's called the solar system. Turns out, every planet out there has an extremely creative way to murder you. So grab a helmet, and then throw it away because it's useless. Let's start with Mercury, closest planet to the sun. Sounds hot, right? Only sometimes. Because Mercury doesn't spin like a normal planet. It rotates so slowly, a single day lasts 176 Earth days. That means one side gets non-stop sunshine, while the other's stuck in permanent night. And the result? One half cooks at 800 degrees, and the other at negative 300 degrees. Wait a minute, I'll just land right on the edge, between day and night. Balance it out. Adorable. Like putting one foot in lava and the other in liquid nitrogen. What could go wrong? See, Mercury doesn't have an edge. It has a death tug of war. Stand there, and the sun side melts your face off, while your butt cheeks lock up so hard they could shatter diamonds. Turn around, now your face is frostbitten, and your butt's medium rare. Try to keep rotating? Congratulations, you're a barbecue spit. Next stop, Venus. Venus is Earth's twin. Same size, same gravity, same planetary vibe. But somewhere along the way, Venus said, what if I just boiled everything forever? The atmosphere here is 96% carbon dioxide, and the pressure is like being a mile underwater. But the best feature of Venus is those yellow clouds. These clouds look soft. I'll just touch one real quick. Classic amateur move. Venus clouds are just sulfuric acid in disguise. If you reach out, your glove melts instantly, so you would pull back. Big mistake. Now the acid's on the suit, which melts into the suit liner, which melts into you. Then you panic, try to wipe it off, but your other glove's gone too. Now you're just rubbing acid into yourself like it's sunscreen from hell. Congratulations, you're soup vomit. Next, Earth. Next, Mars, the red planet. The atmosphere on Mars is 100 times less than on Earth, meaning it's like trying to breathe through a straw that's also on fire. But the most fun part about Mars is its dust. Mars dust is super fine, like powdered glass mixed with bleach. Breathe it in, it cuts your lungs open, then reacts with moisture in your body and makes cement. So you cough, which pulls in more dust, which makes more cuts, which makes more cement. By minute 2, you're coughing up bricks. By minute 3, you are a brick. Next up is Jupiter. Jupiter's massive. Like you can fit 1,300 Earths inside it and still have room for snacks. But here's the catch. It has no surface, just layers of gas. Hydrogen, helium, then more hydrogen, then nightmares. Fall into Jupiter and you don't land. You descend. Forever. Pressure increases. Gravity crushes you. The air thickens you into soup, then into an unsolved physics puzzle. Eventually, your atoms stop cooperating and start behaving in ways atoms really shouldn't. And the worst part? You're still falling. You just don't know it anymore. Next, Saturn. Saturn is 96% hydrogen, 3% helium, and 1% lies, just like its rings. They look solid, safe, like you could skate across them listening to sad music. But get closer. It's chaos. Ice chunks. Broken moons. Cosmic garbage circling at 70,000 kilometers per hour. That's not elegance. That's a debris with murder intent. Try to fly through? Your ship becomes shavings. Your body becomes a mist. Next is Uranus, right? I've got notes. You just want the butt joke, don't you? Let's skip it and pretend we're better than this. Next is Neptune. Neptune is a weird planet. Despite being the farthest, it somehow has the fastest winds in the solar system. Over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. So you don't hear them coming. You just go. Pff, it's just wind. How bad can it... First, your helmet rips off, then your suit turns into ribbon, then your bones learn how to fly. But we are not done yet. At around 7,000 kilometers beneath Neptune's surface, the pressure hits 1.5 million times the Earth. It crushes normal water into a bizarre form of water called Ice 7. It's solid water glowing at thousands of degrees and millions of atmospheres. It's not ice like you know it. It's ice that hates you. One breath down here, and your blood turns to crystal. And you are... I don't know what that is, but it's blinking and I hate it. Back to Uranus. Yes, I knew we'd come back to Uranus. Uranus is tricky, not because it's far or deadly, but because there's 8 billion of them. No two are alike. Some are shy, some are brave, some hold grudges, some stay closed forever, and some open at the worst possible time. So finding the right one is tricky, because it's not about looks, it's about alignment. Texture, temperament, tensile strength, these things matter. So you don't navigate Uranus with a map. You navigate with instinct, with courage, and with a flashlight. Anus has 2 sphincters, fancy word for muscle doors. An internal one you can't control, and an external one you pretend you can. Together, they coordinate the release of poop with the elegance of a synchronized swim team. Unless you sneeze during a squat. Then it's not coordination, it's mutiny, and your pants are the casualty. What was the topic again? Thanks for watching.